Okay, so you don't have this written down. This is in your head, your recipe.
In my head.
Okay, all right.
It's typewritten.
Carrots, celery, 1 onion, 1 parsnip, fresh dill, water. A large spoon to remove fat and scum.
Yeah, it's called shumming.
Will there be a lot of
You
scum?
ever hear of shumming?
No.
That's it.
So what size pot should I use?
Let me see what you have.
I have.
That's definitely
I think
right.
I got this pot from Bubby.
You might.
This would be the riveting part of the video where you're measuring water.
4, 8,
A gallon,
12.
a gallon and a quart.
5, 10, 20 chicken thighs.
Well, it's a lot.
That's a
This was like
lot
a-
of chicken.
Yeah.
Aaron said, "Oh, I could have bought skinless chicken." And Joan said, "No, never do that."
You're so cute.
And then Manny chimed in, "No, it has to have bones in it. It does not have any sharp knives."
No, I have sharp. She said my knife was too sharp.
Really?
Do you have a sharpener?
I do, but I don't use it.
I know. Meanwhile,
Take a ranch.
so this is dark meat chicken. I approve.
Yeah, dark meat makes it tastier.
Harder to ruin, Aaron.
I take off as much fat as I can with each one.
Parsnips.
Alright, so we're
How much parsnip do you want?
Wrong.
No wrong amount of
No,
parsnip.
really.
Okay, I'll work on peeling these. In a particular way?
No, just hold. Put them like that, because we fish them out.
So how many carrots do you want to use?
I use the
do them all.
All the carrots. All the
No.
carrots are mine. It's directed to
Wow, it's
cut
really nice.
some of the larger carrots in
Big
half.
finish.
Be exceedingly careful as to how to cut myself.
It's pretty spacious, too.
And then Joan is
Which you
peeling
really do not have to do this. It's,
celery. All right.
I've
I've never seen anybody do that.
Well, you know what? If you take a bite of peeled celery, you don't get all the stringy stuff.
Oh, okay. All right, makes sense. You said now what do we do? Or?
Just I'll cut them in chunks like the carrots.
What's the difference between kosher and parvo?
Well, you
kosher
have to
is-
have butter with meat. Dairy
Oh,
with
okay,
meat.
so that, all right.
But I mean, kosher is truly, if your kitchen was kosher, then what you're making it would be kosher.
Yeah.
Since my kitchen is not kosher, I am making things that wouldn't inherently.
Is it not kosher because of this jambalaya? it has both sausage and shrimp in it, maybe?
Well, tonight's dinner is
This is my fork.
a pork tenderloin stuffed with bacon and pancetta.
And what are we doing with the onion and when?
Onion you can peel, but we don't cut it. But what you do after you peel it on this part,
Yeah.
you make an X because it goes in whole and that helps it not to fall apart.
Oh, okay, all right.
When I make soup, will you come over and be my sous chef?
Sous chef, you're the master chef. How dilly. So the dill's not that dilly, but he was.
No.
Fresh dill.
That's
Smell.
fine. No, it's not. Are you sure this is dill?
What does it say?
Take it back.
Here, you can have some, we can augment it a little bit.
See, and it does cover the chicken. It just works that way.
Let's take a look at it. The chicken is full covered. So you put it on high until it boils and then turn it back? You just put it on
like medium
She wants it to come to a boil a little more gently.
Gently.
Yeah, you can.
B coins here.
B, what's B?
No D.
D, Denver. Meanwhile, we turned up the heat because it wasn't getting anywhere near boiling.
It's the shum.
The shum is rising to the top. All right. But it's still not boiling yet.
Well, it's getting
10
close.
minutes more.
Oh yeah, it's boiling.
It's boiling.
Okay, good. Okay, yeah, now it's simmered up. So you can turn it down now. So it'll
Scum.
simmer.
Not scum. What's the
Shum.
Shum. The shum. All right.
Sounds
Can I
worse,
use-
doesn't it?
So that's hot water.
Oh,
What
sorry.
row do
What
you
do you
want?
want to put that in, Mom? What do you want to put the scum in?
In the bowl with the hot water that washes it. And look, you try to get it all toward one way, and then you just try not to get too deep because you don't want to take the soup. And you can get some of the fat. See, this is all fat here. See that yellow?
Oh yeah.
Did you?
This is the part that actually takes the
That's
longest. You
Thanksgiving.
have to be patient.
All right.
All right, Aaron, you go, honey.
All right.
So after you finish shrumming this, then what?
Well, then we'll cover it again, and then more shum will come.
Okay. So
So
you wait
it's
another
like
like another what?
it's
How
a-
many? 10 minutes or something?
Yeah, you can wait 5 or 10 minutes.
So how long has it been cooking for? Anybody actually?
I think about,
It's about 20 minutes
yeah, I
now.
was gonna say around
20 minutes.
20 minutes boiling, yeah.
20 minutes boiling.
How long do we do this?
Yeah, how long do we do this?
20. I think I want it to cook usually a total about an hour and a half because you want tie it together.
Meanwhile, Maryland's winning again, 38-31.
Thread.
Go Terps.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, salt, yeah.
How's it looking there?
It's looking good. I don't see much in the way of schmutz. And the chickens are looking delightful.
And Maryland still hasn't lost yet. We're happy about that.
We're very happy. I see like no stuff we want to skim out.
What we could do is just kind of drip it out of the thing after. Try to get some of the soup back out. Okay, Aaron, I'm starting it. There you go, kid. Take your weapons.
Thank you.
Don't burn yourself.
Okay.
Now, did you decide you want to strain it or?
Run, run, run! Go, 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 go! Go! Touchdown! Woo! Tied again. Well, don't you dare get on the top. Oh, another touchdown, Maryland. Okay.
So there's
What do we get? We get-
There's the stuff you don't
Oh,
want.
we get all kinds of stuff.
So now you can put this back on the fire and you put the veggies in.
I'm not sure if there is.
We'll put it back in this pot. I guess
let's-
rinse this pot out.
Well,
Is this one?
But if you want to use one more pot, it's up to you. Oh my God, Maryland's going for 2.
Oh! He was wide open! He was wide open!
All right, so the clear soup. Back. Is the flame on? No,
Flame's on.
Flame's on. Careful. Why don't you lower it into?
I'm trying.
Jesus.
They're falling out of my hands!
Let me show you something.
Yeah.
Put it separate.
Against the side.
I need a tablespoon of salt.
Yeah, I can't believe that's you're gonna. Well, whatever. That's probably about whatever.
It's a big bowl of soup. It doesn't matter.
But-
And then
but it's-
you'll end up tasting a
Put
little.
his,
You might
I don't
have
know, anal retention as you are about the clock, then you don't bother to use an actual measuring device. Or pouring it through the. Oh, there was one. Oh, it's
Yeah,
gone.
then you get a lot of gunky stuff that I don't want in the soup.
That's right, we did not want that in the soup.
No.
Yeah, so I guess you simmer it for 45 minutes to an hour, and then add the bouquet garni, or parsley and dill. A lot of parsley and some
Well,
dill.
it should be more dill. I would have, if I knew the size of the soup, I would have.
Doesn't smell like dill at all.
I will add some of this. I'll add some of this bill.
Two dill that
This is
smell
the
like
worst.
dill.
This is the worst dill ever. Worst dill ever.
That's a
Where did you
failure.
get this?
That's a failure.
It was fresh dill.
I hope the part-
It was chopped off of this. It was fresh dill. It was growing. It was alive until we killed it.
Yeah, it's-
What do we do with the chicken? Did it? That doesn't go back in the soup?
No, we're done with that.
I'll be down.
Well, now a lot of people do put chicken back in, but we just never did.
Okay, that's fine. No, that's totally fine. No. This is how this. It should be made how it's traditionally made.
Yeah, you can make chicken salad, chicken ready. Just lay this on top. Just let it cook some more.
Oh, okay.
It should smell a lot of dill.
It should. It should. It doesn't,
You
but
want
it
to
should.
put some of that in?
Yeah, how long does the herbs need
Another
to?
half hour.
Another half hour. Okay. What time is it now?
Yeah, actually, really.
4:49. So 5:20.
Really have no idea how long we cook this thing.
All day. It pretty much is taking all day.
It shouldn't. It really shouldn't
Yeah.
take that long. I think we need-
In theory, this has been. It should be done, right? You want me to fish the parsnip and the herbs out?
to get this stuff out.
Yeah, I'm happy to do it.
And then you put it on here and you squeeze it.
Oh, good idea.
Okay.
The only things missing would be the matzo balls, which don't go in the soup. They get made separately. But I just sampled it. I expected it would need a ton of salt, but it tastes delicious. All right, well, there you have it.
Okay, so then turn it off. It's
Yeah.
good.
Ta-da.
It's done.
If you bleed into your food and
Well, bleed in.
that's the stuff being dumped in the spoon.
It tastes just like puppy mix.
Isn't it good?
Yeah,
Very
it's
good.
delicious.
Thank goodness it doesn't actually have the chicken in it. So you put the matzo balls in at the last
You
one?
cook them. You actually cook them in
Mussels
water.
don't go in. Yeah, they don't go in the soup.
Oh, okay.
I mean, until the end.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, right. I didn't know. So I rolled them loose, and they all fell apart in her soup. So you have to roll them tight.
And then make tight balls was the instruction, right?
She did say make tight balls.
Oh, they're giant. Holy smokes.
Actually, the small. Sometimes they're really.
Really? You start with a matzo ball.
Start with a matzo ball.
One ball's enough. Where's the chicken?
Ooh, that is hot.
All right, that's funny. Thank you. Oh,
We'll give you some vegetables.
so where's parsnip?
Oh my
I
god,
fished the parsnip.
that is really hot.
All right. Well, thank you.
All right.
Did you put chicken in yours?
No, I didn't put chicken in mine because that's not what the recipe calls for.
It's very hot.
No, the soup's great.
It's like having a noodle in there.
All right, well, what's your opinion of the soup?
It's good with the chicken.
It's good with. Oh, you put the chicken back in it. Oh, that's cheating.
He totally. That's totally cheating. Cheating.
And Aaron, what's your opinion?
It's just like mom makes.
It's the consommé.
Because mom made it. Mom
Yeah, no, that's her recipe. We
was here
were here all day making this. Thank you, Joan.